Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're thinking about designing your garden but struggling to visualize how it will look, you're in the right place. So today we'll use Midjourney to create stunning garden layouts that can help you plan plant placements, pathways, and outdoor features. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips. Let's jump right in. The first step in planning your garden is deciding on a style. Do you want a traditional English garden, a modern minimalist layout, kind of like this, or maybe a peaceful Zen retreat, kind of like this, or any other style, kind of like this one? Well, defining your style helps you determine which plants, materials, and structures will fit best. So, here is an example of the prompt that I would come up with. Let's say I want a cottage garden layout style right here. All right. And overflowing with vibrant roses, foxgloves, and lavender, had cobblestone pathway leading to a weathered wooden bench. Okay, nestled under an ivy-covered ark, rustic-tiered fountain. Okay, surrounded by dense flowering shrubs. Okay, golden glow of late afternoon, sunlight filters through treetops. Yada yada yada, and had to make the rendered images to up the quality, photorealistic, ultra detailed, 8K resolution, or if you want to go for a sketch design, just tweak it a bit with your prompt right here. Okay, so let's send this off right about now. Okay, so let's see how it will turn out from Midjourney with the image rendering process. Okay, so we'll be expecting like a beautiful representation of this space that we're planning right here. And then, all right, here it is. Wow, this actually looks beautiful, I must say. The colorful flowers and stone pathways really create a welcoming atmosphere, and the wooden bench right here is a really great touch. Another one right here. Okay, I really like this. One a bit more, but we have to look at the two more rendered images. The lighting with this one gives it a soft, dreamy effect. All right, making it feel like a peaceful escape. Yes, another one right here. I actually love this as well. This one as well. Wow. So if you're designing a cottage garden, well, this can serve as a great reference when selecting plants and layout ideas. So right here. So just pick one right here. Either of them would choose great for your cottage living. And yep, here we go. A successful garden layout depends on where you place your plants, just like this one in this example right here. So you'll want to group plants with like similar sunlight and water needs together, and make sure taller plants don't block shorter ones from the sun. So here's what we're going to do, just simple as that, through a simple prompt to have Midjourney visualize a well-organized plant layout right over here. So let's say we're going to have a vegetable garden, like viewed from above, just so you could see everything with the layouts and the arrangements. So divided neatly into arranged square plots, each section, different crops like leafy greens, bright red tomatoes, golden squash, purple cabbages, so on and so forth. All right, with added details like soft Sunlight casts natural shadows, and there are the soil and vibrant plant colors, ultra realistic, top down perspective, there's 8K resolution. Okay, so with the prompt all crafted and neatly typed well, let's send this off. Then leave Midjourney right here to generate the rendered images, and we'll take a look at the results later on. So we should see a well-balanced layout with clear divisions between those vegetables in the prompt that is described. And would you look at that? See this layout right here? Really effective. See? With the sun casting the shadow right here with the details, it looked pretty good, I must say. Here's another one, just to feel like if it's interested with your ideas. See, with the crop separation here, with the tomatoes, for instance, the leafy greens. Just look at that. This type of planning really ensures every plant gets the right amount, or how it would be arranged really well, just all the while maintaining an aesthetic balance. See? And now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. A garden isn't just about plants. It's also about creating a space you'll enjoy spending time in. Adding functional elements like, for example, a seating area right here, pathways like these, or any water features can enhance the usability of your outdoor space. Okay, again, like previous segments, simple as that. You can craft your prompt right over here. Here's mine would do right then. Let's take a look. Well organized backyard, garden layout, raised wooden garden beds, okay, symmetrically within fenced enclosure, okay, as a compact greenhouse sit in one corner, central stone pathway connecting different planting areas. Okay, lush herbs, vegetable, grow in neat rows, composting station, all right, tall trees and shrubs, framed garden offering natural shade, small decorative elements like a rustic bench and watering cans. Okay, to make sure, like, to add garden layout look, aerial perspective, just to make sure right here. Okay, so once more, let's send this prompt over right now, and we'll check out the results later on once the process is finished. This should bring together all the key elements from my prompt just so it could mesh together into a relaxing garden retreat. Okay, so we'll see right here the final product. Okay, so here it is. Okay, let me just wait for this to clear up with the quality. All right. Wow, this actually really looks nice. It's kind of like exactly what we've been describing from our prompt right here. The central pathway, right, different planting areas, the greenhouse right here. And wow, this actually it looks good. Again, greenhouse, central stoneway path. Okay, nice. Another one right here. Again, greenhouse, pathway. See right here. Another one right over here. This looks good. You know what? Out of all of these, I think I might lean more with this one. Possibly also this one. Right here. So just to let you know, if you're planning your garden, incorporating these features can make it both beautiful and functional. Just look at these one more time. All right. And yeah, that's how you can plan your garden layout using Midjourney. Whether you're deciding on a style, organizing plants, or adding functional features, so these AI generated visuals can help you see the bigger picture before you start planning. Until next time, everybody, see you all in the next video. Bye.